Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
You're not cool. How about now, Benson?
Dame un beso, dame un beso, dame un beso. Me das un beso. ¡Ay, qué lindo beso!
That are eating like a pack of sardines and we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
Who's buying this?
That would be my big fat ass.
I may be 99% angel, but that 1% gets me in trouble.
Hallo! 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 Ja, guten Morgen!
We're gonna try to balance all of you on one hand. My guy. Oh, hi.
Mommy,
Milo, seriously, what is that? No, out.
Not mine. Nope, not mine. Whistle. Oh, there you are. No, this is not your home.
Coney, would you like to play?
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Just your look, catnip.
Okay. Definitely green, guys. Definitely green. Okay. Go, 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 go.
You may be wondering why this is my face. I'll give you a hint. 20 for sevens. Help.
Please, bro, just one hit. We'll kill you. I'll pay you back. I swear to God, dude. Just let me get a rib.
Garbo, can I get a woohoo?
Fucking wet outside.
Bro, I forgot how having a kitten is like you wake up to a new cat every day. And honestly, I don't like this one's as much as yesterday's because yesterday's was all sweet and snuggly, and this one's like, what?
Good evening. Tonight's top story. Everything is awful.
He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy, girl.
I sure hope nobody's planning to scare me while I leave the bathroom.
Yeah!
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
Blackie! Oye. ¿Qué tienes?
That one's hanging on for its fucking dear life. That one's probably clawing Ollie, honestly.
I got something to make you guys' day. If you're having a bad day, here, come here, Pud. This will make your day. Oh. What? Oh, it's Tiger Boy.
Seni yerim.